DJI's upcoming Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting upgrades the compact gimbal camera lineup has seen in years. If these details hold true, the Pocket 4 could deliver major improvements across image quality, shooting flexibility, and creator-focused features, potentially arriving sooner than most people anticipated. One of the biggest upgrades appears to be the sensor. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a much larger 1-inch imaging sensor, a significant step up from previous generations. Interestingly, reports suggest this sensor might be a tubed implementation, meaning it could be slightly cropped in order to fit inside the compact camera body. DJI has recently been moving towards square format sensors in other products, such as the Osmo Action 6 and Osmo 360, and the Pocket 4 may follow that same direction. If DJI does implement something like a 13.2mm by 13.2mm square sensor, it could unlock new possibilities, especially for vertical video. A square sensor would allow creators to shoot true 4K vertical content without losing detail or resolution, unlike the Pocket 3, which drops vertical resolution to 3K because of its traditional rectangular sensor. With the explosive growth of TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, this would be a major advantage, allowing creators to shoot in vertical format with no compromises. Video recording performance is also expected to see a massive jump. The Pocket 4 is rumored to support 6K recording at up to 30 frames per second. While not everyone will deliver content in 6K, the extra resolution will give editors more flexibility in cropping, reframing, or stabilizing their footage without degrading quality. For high-speed shooting, 4K at 120 frames per second is reportedly on the table as well, giving filmmakers and creators the ability to capture buttery smooth slow-motion footage directly in camera. If accurate, these upgrades would make the Pocket 4 competitive again in a market full of high-end action cameras and mirrorless systems that now offer similar frame rates and resolutions. Exposure and lens control may also see meaningful improvements. Some leaks suggest the camera could come with a variable aperture ranging from f/2.0 to f/4.0, allowing users to adjust exposure and depth of field more freely. However, other leaks claim that instead of a variable aperture, DJI may stick with a built-in 5-stop ND filter system. The current Pocket 3 already benefits from built-in ND filtration, and extending that capability could maintain optimal exposure in bright outdoor environments without forcing creators to carry additional accessories. If DJI chooses one system over the other, it may come down to complexity, reliability, and cost. But either approach is a welcome addition. Beyond imaging, the Pocket 4 is rumored to include several modern conveniences designed for professional workflows. Built-in storage is expected, likely 32 GB or more, with the option to expand using microSD media. A 10-bit D-Log-M color profile is also expected, giving creators a much wider dynamic range and more flexibility in color grading. Osmo audio support is also rumored, meaning the Pocket 4 could pair more seamlessly with DJI's Bluetooth wireless microphones. Another interesting detail is potential 360-degree panning capability, similar to what is seen in the Osmo Mobile 8 smartphone gimbal. On the downside, it seems there may still be no dedicated gimbal motor lock mode, something many Pocket users have repeatedly requested for travel protection and easier handling. As for when the Pocket 4 might actually be released, PhotoRabs predicts a launch as early as December 18, 2025. However, based on DJI's typical product cycle, a broader window around the first quarter of 2026, possibly coinciding with CES 2026, seems reasonable. The upgraded specs suggest a likely price range of around $500 to $600, making it more expensive, but still competitively priced for a compact camera offering this level of capability. If these rumors turn out to be accurate, the DJI Pocket 4 could be a refined and highly impactful evolution of the series, with better resolution, stronger stabilization, improved sensor performance, and features that directly appeal to modern content creators.